In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a customer registration form in Shopify so you can collect important customer details and create a smoother shopping experience. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you're setting this up for the very first time. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and head to the left-hand side of the screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Apps and click on it to access the Shopify App Store. This section is where you can add powerful tools that help you customize and improve your store's functionality. Next, click on the search bar and type in Forms. You'll see several options that help you create and manage customer forms for different purposes. Once you find the app called Shopify Forms, click on it to open the app details page. Take a moment to review the features, ratings, and reviews so you know exactly what it offers. When you're ready, click the Install button and follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your store. After the installation is complete, open the app directly from your Shopify dashboard. Once you've completed these steps, start creating your customer registration form by adding fields like name, email address, phone number, and any other details you want to collect. You can easily customize the layout, rearrange fields, and set certain fields as required to make sure you capture all the necessary information. After that, you should be able to save and publish the form, making it available for customers to register without any interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a customer registration form to your Shopify store easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?